Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today of course is Face Beat Friday, and for today's Face Beat Friday I am just going to be playing in some new stuff, some new products. But before I get started, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. So y'all do that, and I'm gonna show you what I'm using. Go ahead. Alright, so one of the first products that I'm going to use that's completely new is this Becca concealer. Now if you have been watching my channel for the past few weeks, or the last maybe 2 or 3 videos, I've been talking about how I'm looking for a new concealer to replace my Anastasia contour cream kit, just to give me just so I can have some options, you know. And so I was told about Becca, and this is the color Chestnut. I do a lot of chestnut, and this is what it looks like. As you can see, it looks extremely smooth and creamy, and I just tested it out in the store and I was like, ooh yeah. So about $34. I got this, you can get it at Sephora or Ulta. I looked, so what happened was I went to Ulta to get it and picked the wrong color, so then I took it back and went to Sephora to get the right color. So that's what I'm going to be using today for my concealer. And another new product that I'm super excited about, let's get it out here, is I have a new highlighter from Fenty Beauty. And you know how it has the 2 sides, so it is Minted Mojito on this side and Sandcastle. So let me there we go. Minted Mojito and Sandcastle. So these are some new highlighters that I am going to play in for you all today. I've never done the colored highlighters, like the unicorn lighter, so I think this is going to be super fun to play with today. Anything else new? I think that's it. I think that's all the kind of new things that I'm just going to be playing in. So yes. Alright you guys, so as you can see, this is a really nice bright look, and since I am using my new Fenty palette, let me back it up a little bit. Since I am using the Fenty palette, again, Minted Mojito and Sandcastle are the colors, I'm actually going to take the sandcastle color, and that's going to be, excuse me, what I use to highlight my eyes for this look. And then the Minty Mojito, the bluish color, will be like my unicorn highlight for the rest of my face. So I just want to let y'all know. Alright, you guys, so I am ready to use my Becca. That stuff just, it looks so like creamy. I'm so excited about this. Like, I don't even think y'all understand how like addicted I've been to the Anastasia contour cream palette. So if I can find something that I like even more than that, I'll be in heaven. And I'm sure some of you might be asking, well, if you like the Anastasia palette so much, why are you looking for, looking to use something else? And I will tell you why. So as a matter of fact, where is my palette, so I can show you what I mean real quick. So as you can see, this is one of my palettes. I have three or four, I'm not even sure, 3 or 4 of these palettes. And this was one of my, I think my first one. So I've had this palette for a long time. But as you can see, these 2 colors and basically that one too are pretty much depleted. This one has a little hole in it. These 2 I don't even touch. So I have this big old palette and I don't touch, I don't touch all the colors. Like, to me, that's a waste of money. So I would rather, pay for something that I will use all the way up, that I will use up and be sure to use up. So that's why I'm trying to test out something new. And this is, again, Becca in Chestnut. And another thing, just to let y'all know about my journey. So I couldn't decide if I wanted to do Chestnut or there was one color, I can't think of the name of it right now, but it was a shade lighter than the Chestnut. And I also was looking for a concealer that, even if I don't feel like doing like a full face, if I just kind of wanted to conceal a few spots and throw on a very light powder or something for like every day, I wanted something that would be kind of like just slightly lighter than skin tone, like 1 or 2 shades. So I will probably go back eventually and get the other shade for when I want a little bit more of a dramatic look, if I like Becca, if I actually turn out to like this product. And since I am playing in it and trying it out, I'm gonna be highlighting more than I normally would. But alright, back to it. quick side note, do y'all see the difference in under eye mascara? Y'all know I don't do lashes like that, but my mascara is my everything, and I am currently on my second coat on my top lash and my first coat on my bottom lash. And do y'all see like just how this eye is popping? Like, whoa. Okay, that's all I wanted. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. This is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed it. And again, I really am loving my new Fenty palette. Minted Mojito here, and then the Sandcastle here and on my eyes. So I think it turned out really, really pretty. This is very much so Instagram makeup, so I'm finna go take a whole bunch of selfies. And if you recreate this look and you take some selfies, make sure you tag me in it on my Instagram at @BeStokedStyling. And I will see y'all again next week for another Face Beat Friday. Alright guys, peace.